Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming the January Empties video, and this is kind of a combo Empties and Declutter because I have gone through and gotten rid of a fair number of things this month. So let's go ahead and start with the Declutter items. I have this, and it is covered in dust. The Sephora Professionals Daily Brush Cleaner. It's like 1,000,000 years old. It's so old. But it's probably perfectly good. I don't think I've ever used this. I'm gonna give this to a friend who actually has the what is the word I'm looking for? Not dedication, responsibility. Who has the strength to clean their brushes on the daily. I don't even use my brushes hardly ever. Put on makeup right now if I have a video to film, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna give this away to a friend. Also, newer products. I'm going to give away the Medusa's Makeup Eyeliner Seal and the darker shade, the Eye Dust and Dirty, to a friend because I've just decided this is way darker than I'd probably usually ever wear, and I don't think I'm going to ever use this realistically. I have issues when I get these fun new things differentiating between me and aspirational me, because aspirational me wants to use all the things, but realistic me, lazy me, is definitely not going to. So I'm going to give these to a friend that will use them. What do we have here? Oh, also the Medusa's Makeup Lipstick in the color Baroque. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, but I just don't see myself wearing a super purpley tone. I've kind of weeded out most of my purpley tones except for the really dark ones that are like for fun, I don't know, dance nights out or just Halloween-y things. But this one's sort of, it's kind of an everyday wearable color in my opinion, but purple leaning, and blue purple leaning things are just not really my jam these days. Then we have the Supergoop Defense Refresh Resetting Mist. You know what? Shame on me, because they got me the first time. I read reviews that the nozzle, the spray nozzle, had been repaired, and it does the same clog up thing as the last one did. So I'm gonna see if a friend wants this, maybe if they want to play with the nozzle to get it spraying clear. But yeah, don't buy that product, just don't. Let's see, nail polishes. The Julie G nail color in Rock Candy, and then the Sally Hansen Complete Salon Manicure in Strawberry Shields, and then that's not a nail polish. Sally Hansen Hard as Nails in, oh, it's on top, Fuchsia Power. There are more. Let's see, Club Color nail lacquer in, what is it, Breakfast At, and then the Funky Fingers nail polish in Mrs. Mint. So they're both like minty-ish. Is that all the nail polishes? That might be all the nail polishes. I just was really realistic, and I went through my drawer and I'm like, you know what, I don't foresee myself using these ones, passing them on to a friend. And then another thing nail polish like, and this is so old, a lot of those nail polishes are really old. This is the Sally Hansen Advanced Cuticle Repair. I don't even know where I got this, when I got this, but I can't get the lid open. So I went to use it the other day thinking, oh, I should probably make an effort to use that up. I can't get the lid off, so it's gotta go in the trash because it's stuck at this point. Then I'm giving away the Kindred skincare. This is a body oil with a shimmer in it, which I know I'm just not going to use realistically. I'm also giving away the Benefit Watts Up because I think this might be a sample size, but there's so much product in here, honestly. I just don't find myself reaching for it. Knocking stuff over. I'm giving away the Herbivore, and this one hurts because this is expensive. The Herbivore Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. This burnt the fuck out of my face, so I'm scarred. I don't want to put it back on my face, so I'm giving it away to a friend who maybe it will not hurt and injure. Two more declutter items. I think. So the first is from Alba Botanica. It's the Acne Dot Invisible Gel Treatment. I just don't reach for this ever. Gonna give that away. And then this is embarrassingly old. It is a Dr. Bronner's Magic All-in-One Coconut Oil. And I forgot I had this in my drawer upstairs, and it is pretty nasty. I'm pretty sure this has gone off. It is very expired, so I'm going to figure out a way to get this nice and melty so I can clean out the glass and recycle it and just throw out the oil, because this is embarrassingly old. So yeah. Ugh. Okay, and everything else I have to share is in Empties, I believe. So the first thing we have here is the Hask Charcoal Purifying Shampoo. No surprise there. Austin goes through this all the time. It's his favorite, and I like it too. I don't use it all the time, but I do like this. I'll just pack this for traveling, and so we only have one shampoo to deal with because I do like it as well. It's amazing if you have oily hair. Definitely recommend that. Also used up the Aroma Water Toner from Lush, which admittedly, as part of my getting rid of all the stuff with fragrance goal in my skincare routine, I don't think I'll be repurchasing this. So it makes me sad because I liked it, but yeah, it's not skincare. Realistically, if I'm being completely honest with myself and with you guys, this is not skincare. So finished that. I also finished, there's like hair in here, it's disgusting, the Skin Out Mackay Berry Drops Restorative Face Oil. This had fragrant components in it, so I just added this to my body lotion. Don't think it did anything remarkably different or amazing for my skin. Another lotion, this is the Levito Thera Intensive Foot Cream. So I did use this on my feet, but I also just kind of used it as a lotion as well. Cut it open, finished that whole thing. This is a nice light, lightly scented to moisturizer. I don't know that I'd seek it out, but anytime I get something from Levito in a box, I do enjoy it. I finished the Hello Anti-Plaque and Whitening Natural Peppermint Toothpaste, which is my favorite toothpaste. I'm on my last bottle from the 3-pack I get on Amazon, so I'm gonna get another one once I get towards the bottom of that. I cannot recommend this enough. And the other thing is, I love that it's fluoride free. I'm not a fluoride fan, so my all-time favorite. Not gonna buy anything else for the foreseeable future. Love this one. And to go along with that, I also finished the Coordinating Mouthwash, which is also really good. Doesn't make your mouth peel and is just a really nice mouthwash. I'm running out of places to put things. I finished up the label on it, but this is a Calvin Klein Euphoria perfume, and this was a special edition one that had shimmery bits that sprayed out in it too. I did not on purpose. I didn't shake it up to get all the shimmery bits in there because I'm at home. I don't need to be glistening. And this is really, really old. Like when I tell you, I think this is from 2006, winter of 2006. I think I bought this right after Christmas in 2006, so almost 2007. It is that old, so I just really wanted to get it finished and get it out of the collection, just because I know this is probably not vegan, cruelty free, and trying to use up all my fragrances. So yep, I did love that smell though. I have done some research online to find vegan, cruelty free dupes of the Calvin Klein Euphoria scent, so maybe one day when I go through more of my products that I have, I will purchase a dupe. Then we've got some face masks to go through. I did the Pacifica Mattifying Prep, the Pacifica Energized Glow, and the Pacifica Beauty Dose. Oh, there's another little thing on there. I mentioned this probably in my vegan cuts video that I'm not going to go out of my way to purchase for myself masks like this that have a ton of fragrance in them anymore, but if I'm gifted them, I'll use them. So like with any sheet mask, they're just kind of fun. then that little thing that was stuck to it. It is the Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer Base. That came on a sample from Sephora, and it was nice. I don't think it was anything special, just another primer. It came with this. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation, and I didn't really get to give it a proper try. The lightest color on here was still too dark for me, and even so, it was just a teeny tiny amount of product there. So that's that. Can't really give an opinion on it. Let's see. From Lush, this is the Teo Solid Deodorant. My mom had got me this a while back. This is just kind of old, but also it's old because I never used it because it didn't work for me. I used it a couple times. I don't like the form factor, and it's not effective for my level of stank, so just getting rid of that. It is in there, but it is like falling apart. Yeah, like, yeah. Gonna leave it in there. And then we have from Floor and Bee the Eyes Baby Eye Cream. So this had fragrant ingredients in it, so I chose to use it on my body and my hands instead. It was nice enough, nothing noteworthy. I feel like I can't really give you a great review for things, or any sort of detailed, in-depth review for things that are meant for your face that I end up using on my body, because if I end up using it on my body, that means I didn't like it enough to put on my face. So there's that. I finished the Gold Fed and Empty Solution Hands to Heart Anti-Aging Brightening Hand Treatment. I hated this. I can say with a lot of confidence that this product is terrible. The couple of weeks that I ended up using this as my hand cream before bed, my hands were always drier in the morning when I woke up. This did not moisturize at all. Don't get this. It's terrible. I used up the Youth to the People Makai and Acai Prickly Pear Goji Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Oil. So I was already halfway through this before I realized it had fragrant components. I won't be repurchasing it, but it was decent enough as a face oil. I just don't want those fragrant components on my face. I feel like I'm speaking really fast because there's a lot of stuff and I don't want this to be a million-year-long video. But let's keep going. From Osmia, I used the Black Clay Facial Soap. I kept like the little thing. This was the little packet it came in, and it's filthy because I would sip the soap on top of this. But I liked this. I thought this was really, really nice. You just got it a little wet, got it a little sudsy, and then put it down and then use the suds and stuff to wash your face. I think it's wonderful. I think it would be great to travel with because it's not a liquid. It's one less liquid you have to worry about in your luggage. I thought it was really cool. I don't know if I'm going to seek it out because I have so many face washes. By the time I'm finished all my face washes that I have, I'm probably going to completely forget that I tried this. But if it came in another box, I'd be so happy to use it. I think it's a very cool product. And then we have, this came in another box. This was the Odacite Pure Elements Synergy Immediate Skin Perfecting Beauty Mask. So I used this. I will say it did make my skin a little red after immediately using. You have to follow the directions. Do not leave it on longer than it says. Like, take it off right when it tells you to. And otherwise it was nice. My skin felt soft afterwards, but I wasn't like that blown away by it that I'd buy a full bottle of it. But yeah, it was cool. Another face product that I used on my body. This was the Ren Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. This also had fragrant elements to it, so I decided to use it as a hand cream slash body lotion. And I didn't like it even in that application. It smelled funny. Yeah, I didn't care for the scent of that. It was strange. Last two products are makeup products that I finished from Trestique, which I have looked up, and apparently this particular product is vegan. It is the Mini Shadow Crayon in Marimoto Pink Pearl, and it was not pink. It was definitely more like just a champagne-y shimmer color, but I finished the whole thing, and yeah, that is donezo. That's pretty much the only thing I had on my eyelids for like the past year, just because it was easy. Draw it on, blend the edges with your finger, call it a day. And then the last product I have to share is also a makeup product, and it is from Tarte. It is the Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Tinted Pressed Finishing Powder in light, and I finished that up. I mean, there's a little on the edges, but not enough to where I feel like I'm going to bother. And you can see I broke it. You will see with any of the products I use long term and travel with, I tend to break them. This is a good one. I would definitely buy it again. I have some loose setting powders that I'm trying out. One's a sample, and then I have one that I purchased from Milk Makeup, and then I have another one that came in a makeup box, I think, just recently. So I'm not going to be repurchasing it anytime soon, but for me, next time I need a setting powder, I know I'm going to reach for this one because it's easy to find and it is reliable. So this is a good one. And that might be like the most extensive Empties video I've filmed recently. There was so much stuff I used and a lot of stuff that I decided I was just going to get rid of. So that was a lot. I'm sorry if I'm like blurring my words together because I'm talking so fast. I was just so nervous that I wouldn't be able to get this in like a video that wasn't 10 million years long. Yeah. Anyway, I will link to all the products that I actually liked down below, as well as anything I'm wearing or something similar if I can find it. Love these earrings. They were from J. Crew, but I'll see if I can find something similar because I know they're sold out. If you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. I'd love to know what you have finished up recently. And if you'd like to stick around for a while, hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.